I was sent these phones by Google. I'm kidding y'all, not yet, but maybe someday. Keep watching because this is the unboxing of the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Hello, welcome to my secret spot. What up, y'all? It's your nigga Reggie, and this you're Caucasian. So, you know I don't have a niche unless you've just come here for the first time and you're seeing me for the first time. Then boom, let's get into it. I'm unboxing my new phone here. A few things about it while I unbox it though. As I stated, this is a Google Pixel 9 Pro. I do believe it came out this year, 2024. A few months ago. I want to say September. I don't know why. I don't know that for a fact though. I'm not a techie person, so if that's what you're here for, I can't really do that. I'm just gonna give you my first impressions, I guess, of the phone. So it comes in different colors. I believe there was black, white, and then this is pink, which it's known as rose quartz, like that's what it says here. And because I wanted a different color, because I wanted it in pink, that changed the amount of space on the phone, like for what they have available. Does that make sense? Basically, okay, so let me explain something. I'm not very good at this, but let's just keep going. Maybe someday. So Google, if you're watching, I hope you see my potential. Anyway, so phones come with like a different amount of storage, 128 gigs to start with. You could have gotten it 128 gigs. For this color, they didn't have it in 128 gigs, so I went up to 256 gigabytes. You can also go up to like 1 terabyte of storage, which is freaking insane. Imagine that, Wow. But anyway, that's what you can do these days. I don't think I would ever need that much space. Plus, I do have Google Cloud storage. So I'm glad that I have this phone here, which will serve me for a while. Also, fun fact, I guess the phone that I am currently filming on is a Google Pixel 7. So I'm loyal to Google now because, brand loyal, I have Google. So first impressions. Okay, that's what it looks like. You saw I also had this box here. This one's also new, but I don't have the phone right here. Maybe I'll insert a clip of it just showing the phone. But the size of the screen of this phone, oh, I really like this. I've never had a pink phone, which, can you imagine that? And pink is my favorite color, so this is pretty cool. I have to angle it this way because I don't want it to reflect what I'm recording from, the device. Very cool. It's quite different from the Pixel 7. It makes me think of an iPhone, like when I look at it like visually, The bezel, let me stop. Is it bezel or bevel? Yo, I have no freaking idea. I don't review phones. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm trying. Something cool to note, I suppose, the SIM slot is at the bottom of the phone. The pink is a matte pink finish, very nice. Quite like it, So this phone is comparable to the Pixel 9, like just, your standard Pixel 9, the flagship, I guess. Did I even use that correctly? I told you I don't make videos like this, okay? The XL is larger, so it's larger. That's all I needed to say. Okay, so basically this phone is the same size, like the same screen dimensions as the one which I have now, which is the Pixel 7. So now I can like sign in and all that stuff. I pretty much know how Google works, so it shouldn't be a problem setting this up. I really like it. I'm very happy with the color, of course. I have a case coming because typically I will put a case on my phone. I don't have a clear phone case, so I don't know why I felt the need to say that, but yeah, Just, I don't know, I'm just putting it out there. Oh, something interesting that I really like is that this phone, I'm not gonna get to use the camera right now because I need to set it up the right way. Actually, I'm getting a notification on my phone that I have now about this phone, which is pretty creepy, Google. But anyway, it popped up again. I have to end this video soon. Interesting thing about this phone, it has the one I'm using now, the 7, shoots resolution up to 4K. This shoots up to 8K. I also have to mention that the zoom goes crazy. I can't even explain it. It zooms in so freaking well. Another thing is like the front camera is chef's kiss. There's nothing like it. Oh my goodness, can you imagine? So that's pretty darn cool if you ask me. That's all for this video. I don't know if I'll include anything else. This is just my first impressions. These are my first impressions. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Turn on post notifications after you've subscribed to my channel. I don't know, y'all know what to do. All that good stuff. Get clickety clacking in the comments. I have to go now. Follow me. Peace out. Thumbs up.